Manifest Services delivers integrated services for the opening of your new hotel unit and the preparation of your hotel unit for the new season. Our services: initial deep cleaning, design of spaces, placement of equipment, technical services. Your benefits: you start your operation based on your schedule. You don't exhaust your own unskilled staff. Your hotel obtains the perfect image. Our experience: 120 hotel openings throughout Greece in the last 5 years. More than 16,000 working hours. 100% customer satisfaction. Trust your hotel to the expert.